Most people just put money into whatever retirement account showed up first. A 401k at work, maybe an IRA a friend mentioned, without ever understanding what they actually picked. And that one blind decision can quietly cost you tens of thousands of dollars over your life. So today, Roth versus 401k versus traditional, explained in plain English with real numbers, so you know exactly which one to use and why. First, what are we even comparing? A 401k is an account through your employer. Some employers match what you put in. That's free money, and we'll come back to that. An IRA is an account you open yourself at any brokerage. Nobody matches it, but you get full control over what it's invested in. And here's the twist. Both of them come in two flavors, traditional and Roth. So what's the actual difference between traditional and Roth? It comes down to one question. Do you want to pay tax now or later? Traditional, your money goes in before tax. That lowers your tax bill today, but you pay tax on it later when you withdraw it in retirement. Roth, your money goes in after tax. No break today, but every dollar it earns and every dollar you withdraw in retirement is completely tax-free. Forever. Let me show you with two people. Alex is 25, earning $45,000 a year, sitting in the 12% tax bracket. Jamie is 45, a senior manager earning well into six figures, sitting in the 32% bracket. Alex picks Roth. Paying 12% tax right now is cheap, so Alex locks that low rate in for good. Jamie picks traditional. Paying 32% tax today would sting, so Jamie defers it and will likely withdraw it later in a lower bracket, in retirement. Same amount invested. Same growth. Completely different tax outcome, because their tax rate today isn't their tax rate later. That's the whole decision, right there. Rule 1. Always grab the free money first. If your employer offers a 401k match, take it before anything else. A common setup, they match 50 cents for every dollar you put in, up to 6% of your pay. Earn $60,000, put in 6%, that's $3,600. Your employer adds another $1,800. That's an instant 50% return. No stock, no fund, nothing else on earth pays that. So Roth or traditional, doesn't matter yet. Capture the full match first. Rule 2. Know how much you're actually allowed to put in. A 401k lets you contribute up to $24,500 a year. An IRA, Roth or traditional combined, caps out at $7,500 a year. So your 401k holds far more room to save. But your IRA often gives you cheaper funds and far more investment choices. Rule 3. Watch the income ceiling on Roth IRAs. Earn above roughly $153,000 as a single filer or $242,000 married, and you can't contribute to a Roth IRA directly anymore. It phases out. Your 401k has no such ceiling. Roth or traditional, anyone can use it at any income. So, which one should you actually pick? Here's the simple order. 1. Put enough into your 401k to get the full match, always. 2. If you're early career, in a lower bracket, lean Roth. Pay the cheap tax now. 3. If you're a peak earner in a high bracket, lean traditional. Defer it. 4. Not sure which you'll be? Split it. Half Roth, half traditional. That way, however tax rates move in the future, you're covered either way. 5. After the match, top up an IRA next for the flexibility, then go back and max the 401k if there's more to invest. There's no single best account here. There's only the best account for where you stand right now. Know your bracket. Grab the match. Choose your mix. That's the whole game. If this made it click for you, hit that like button. And subscribe to Mintset for the money moves that actually matter. I'll see you in the next one.